The discrepancy between a credit card statement balance and the current balance is often due to a timing issue. When a transaction is made on an account, the bank requires time to process it, resulting in a difference between the two balances. For instance, if a purchase is made on the 24th of the month and the billing cycle ends on the 25th, the purchase amount may not be reflected in the current balance. Instead, it will be included in the statement balance, as the bank may still be processing the transaction when the statement is generated. To manage this discrepancy, it is essential to track spending throughout the month and regularly check transactions to understand what is included in the statement balance. Paying the statement balance in full and on time is crucial, as paying less will result in interest charges on the remaining amount. If the full amount cannot be paid, paying the minimum stipulated amount will provide a grace period for the next billing cycle. Utilizing an online banking app can also be helpful, as most banks allow real-time viewing of the current balance, providing an accurate picture of one's financial standing at any given moment. By taking control of finances and staying informed, individuals can better understand the difference between their statement balance and current balance, and make timely payments to avoid interest charges.